about the Higgs field. I will share the details here, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in it. Something big is coming in AI video. This time it's not about filters, gimmicks or short clips. K-Link 3.0 is being positioned and as shifted toward directing AI video, not just generating it. And if you have been following Higgs field lately, you already know why the hype is real about K-Link 3.0, the era of AI director, which is coming soon. Over the last few time, Higgs field has quietly become one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms, especially among creators who care about realism, control, cinematic output. Now with the K-Link 3.0 officially marked as coming soon, the conversion has shifted from AI can generate video to AI might soon understand scenes, motions and continuity the way a director does. This video is not just like a feature walkthrough, it's about what publicly visible, what the official site is signaling and why creators are watching the K-Link 3.0 so closely right now. So you can see they have a model, you can see unifying world-class 4K visuals, native ROs and multi-shoot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine. You can go and sign up here. If you visit the official K-Link 3.0, you can see that right at the core K-Link 3.0 is described as the start of the era of AI director, as given not just better visuals but better decision making, better context awareness and better control over how scenes unfold. The site does not present K-Link 3.0 as small update, let's frame it as the next basically stage in AI video creation where the system understands the sequence, motion, narratives follow more holistically. So one of the strongest expectation around the K-Link 3.0 is generally the quality. You can see the quality, cinematic pacing. They have you can see support narrative generations of up to 15 seconds. So they have gained the time for what being discussed publicly and hinted at on the side. The cleaner realism, smoother motions, shot to shot consistency, and these are the exact areas where AI video traditionally breaks, especially when scenes get complex. So you can see the absolutely subject consistency. Another key signal is higher end output targets. There are growing discussion around native 4K cinematic workflow and higher frame stability, a major step beyond the current 1080p, and nothing here is officially confirmed, but the direction is clear. K-Link 3.0 is aiming to be the production ready, not just visual impressive. One of the most interesting idea tied the K-Link, something referred as given here in the way you can see Omni, the way this is described suggests a more unified system where the total model understand context around like across the understand scenes instead of treating every clip as a separate event. So you can see it here. The details about that is given. The next you can see Frontier 3.0, that could mean better community, smarter transition, more consistent characters and environments. Instead of stitching clips together manually, the AI itself may begin making more cohesive creative decision. Again, this is not confirmed feature list, it's a direction. Another major expectation surrounding is longer clip, like you can see it will be like 15 seconds, which is given here. You can see it here. So what being discussed publicly is a push towards clip in 10 to 15 second range that maintain character identity, scene structure, motion coherence. So one of the most closely is another that it had hand movement. This includes hand movement, object content, hugs, touches, and physical reactions too. So the most these movement are where AI video often fails, producing melting hands or broken motion. The official page reference improvement in directional physics, which suggest more believable motions, logics, and fewer visual artifacts during interaction. As you can see, reason-based editing. So even small gains here would be a massive for realism. And if we talk about the another thing, that the idea is not just generating a good clip but creating multiple shots that feel like they belong to the same scene, the same moment, the same story. If Kling 3.0 delivers stronger continuously across shot, it should be place it among the most advanced AI video. As you can see, these videos, their talkings, their emotions, their like whole things which is given here. This is why many creators are not just curious, they are waiting for it. So if we talk about the Higgsfield blogs here, so you can see they have discussing fresh reels and all. Furthermore, I will share with you about their Twitter. Higgsfield AI, their like X is given. You can see the creations, you can see the videos. Kling 3.0 is not live yet, but the signals are strong, the expectations are high, and the conversion is already happening. You can see it's coming soon. You can see the motions, the clarity, the quality they have. Is the platform delivers on even part of what's being discussed. It could be redefine how creators think about AI video creation. You can see the videos which are going here. You can easily be a part of their community. You can see they have given here the details. You can go for it. But now a time there was the Kling 3.0 which is coming soon. You can see the ultimate AI video workflow is almost here. Experience 15-second clips, multi shots, native audio, and perfect character consistency with elements.